People talk a lot about the cloud. But do they really know what it is? Probably not. Wouldn't it be great if you could know a lot more about the cloud in the next couple of minutes? Great! The best way to talk about cloud is to use a metaphor. Okay, first imagine the cloud is a form of transportation, like a taxi, in a place called Megacity. Showing the cloud as a taxi service makes it a snap to talk about the 5 key elements of cloud computing. The first element is on demand. Let's say you have to meet Jane all the way across town. If you used standard infrastructure, you'd need to spend time and money trying to find and buy the right car to get you to Jane. Get this, the cloud is right there for you. Just like a taxi, it pulls up to the curb right when you need it. And when you're done, it moves on to a different customer. Exactly. And just like a taxi, the cloud operates on metered service. Yes, and since you won't need to own a car anymore, you won't have to pay to store or maintain it when you're not using it. Now imagine that alongside you, there are 6 other people who also need to meet Jane. To complete a task like this, the cloud utilizes a little something called resource pooling. In Megacity, this means that, based on user need, the number of taxis dispatched to pick up Jane's friends is automatically assigned. No whistling required. Resource pooling also allows multiple people to securely use the same app at the same time. That's right. Now let's say a ginormous number of people need to get picked up. Rapid elasticity is a speedy way to get this done. Well, it's like sending out 1,000 taxis to pick up 1,000 people, rather than wasting time using a single taxi to take people one at a time. Actually, whether you need to use 1 taxi for 1,000 hours or 1,000 taxis for 1 hour, there's no cost difference. You could turn a lot more ideas into reality. The final element of the cloud is broad network access. So anywhere a network is available, all of your information and data are there waiting for you. Now that we can talk about the cloud in the same way, let's see how you can best access the power of the cloud. Lots of companies provide services in the cloud. Of course it does. Microsoft offers a wide range of cloud services, including the Windows Azure platform. It is. Since Windows Azure is in the cloud, the applications and data you create are directly connected to computing and storage that scale as you need them. You can be assured that Windows Azure was created with security as a top priority. And to help your business build comprehensive solutions, Microsoft Services works alongside Windows Azure to give you a high level of customer service, expertise, and support directly from Microsoft. Our experts take into account your current infrastructure, spanning on-premise, off-premise, and hybrid cloud strategies, so your team can develop applications that will allow your business to reach its full potential in the cloud. Now that you have a handy taxi metaphor to help you talk about building cloud-optimized applications, and you know that Windows Azure and Microsoft Services are a great way to get your business there, what are you waiting for? A taxi?